Hello, we're gonna be doing 12 days of I cannot say that. CRAFTMAS 12 days of CRAFTMAS, period. Days of CRAFTMAS. So I was gonna do 25 days, you know, the whole vlogmas thing with crafts, but I wasn't even gonna try to play myself because I don't think I have 25 crafts in me because I'm due in like 2 weeks. And yeah, so I am committing to 12 crafts. So up until Christmas, I will be sharing 12 easy, mainly Dollar Tree, cheap Christmas crafts / decorating type thingamajiggas. So I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. If you like my DIYs, make sure you check out my other DIYs. Our first DIY is going to be this little centerpiece. I got everything from Dollar Tree. Super easy, super quick. And let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I have all my supplies laid out. Everything that you see here, I got from Dollar Tree. So I have super glue, which I actually did not use. I used a hot glue gun instead. I have this brown like rope, some pine cones, 3 bags of each of these colors, 3 little candles, 3 glasses in 3 different sizes, and then I want to say that's 4 bunches of flowers, and I ended up not using those gold things also. And I also have a piece of pan. All right, so first I am just starting by gluing my rope to my glass. I'm just gonna glue it like around and around, and you don't really have to put glue like on the entire rope. I think I just put like a small dot or a little bit, about every inch or so. You know, you don't have to wait. Don't waste your glue, okay? Don't waste your glue because you don't need all of it. So just put a little bit here and there in a few spots. Make sure it's nice and secure, and then you're just gonna go around the whole glass, probably a little bit under midway, or really to whatever height you want it to be. And then you're gonna do that to each one of your glasses. And as you can see, I did mine to different heights for all 3 glasses. So my tallest one has the most rope, and so on and so forth. Y'all can see, y'all got eyeballs. So now I'm taking my pizza pan, and I'm just gonna place my 3 glasses on here and arrange them how I want them to be. Make sure they're in the right place. And I'm gonna just hot glue them down like so. Next, I'm taking my little pine cones that I bought, and I'm dumping them in a bowl first because they're different colors, and I want to make sure they're like mixed up, and so that they don't like look funny in the glasses, like one having a lot of one color or whatever. I don't know. I'm a little bit OCD, so it'll bother me if it's not right. So I'm just gonna mix them up in my bowl first, and then I'm gonna put them inside of my glasses. Okay, so now I have my candles, and they have this cute little design on them. I was not I was not expecting these candles to smell so good, but they smell good, Dollar Tree. Okay, I see you. But I have my pine cones in my glasses, and I'm just playing around with the height, getting my candle in there, trying to make sure it's straight, because with these pine cones, they have them kind of crooked. And like I said, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so you might have to play around with this part a little bit and just adjust them to how you want them to be. I'm actually going to end up changing it at the end and make my candle stick out a little more from the top of the glass. I thought it just looked better because it was bothering me that you couldn't see any pine cones in this the smallest one. I don't know, like I said, details matter. Okay, details matter, people. Anyway, whew, if y'all hear me breathing, it's because I'm 37 weeks pregnant. Okay, so bear with me. But I have my flowers up next. They're like these burgundy how do you say that? Poinsettia. We're gonna go with poinsettia. Okay, poinsettia. Yeah. So I have those, and then I have peonies. So I have 2 bunches of each, and that was plenty. I'm not gonna lie, I could have went with 1 more just to make it a little more full, but 4 is enough. As long as you make sure you pick out a bunch that's like full of flowers, because you know sometimes you go in Dollar Tree and the flowers be like picked over and some be missing and all that. But yeah, 4 is good. So I'm just cutting all my flowers off the bunches, and honestly, you don't even need to secure this part. Just place them in there and, you know, play around with it again. Arrange them to where your pan isn't showing anymore, and stick them in through the middle so that they kind of stay in place. Obviously, I would definitely recommend doing this where your centerpiece is going to be at, since we're not securing it. So yeah, so whatever table you're going to be setting it up on, make sure you do it there. Okay, so here, like I said, I'm going back through and I'm making the candles like a little bit taller to make them stick out more. I just thought it looked a little bit better. And then you can see the pine cones a little bit more in that smallest candle holder. I mean, not really, but it just made me feel better. So this is our final look. I think it came out really cute, really quick and easy, simple little centerpiece. I think it'll be good for a little Christmas party or just at home. Here it is with my table halfway set. Show it up against something. It looks nice. I can picture it with a little napkin and your silverware and all that. Candles lit. Let me know if y'all like it. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see y'all on Friday with the next craft.